Yeah, freestyle. Kick that beat. What? Yeah, freestyle. Asher Roth can jerk off in a cloth. You may recognize this beat, but my name ain't Jay-Z. Motherfucking get it right. This is Jordan Ginty. This is a freestyle. I'ma be here for a while. Watch the rhymes pile. Bitches sucking on my style. Rappers always talking about how they ain't fake, but I seen Degrassi, I seen Drizzy Drake. Can't believe nothing that I see unless we talking about a Gibby or a fat bag of weed. No seeds, no stems, no sticks. Hanging out with fine bitches, no chicks with dicks. Roll a joint the size of your arm. We get it on, yeah, until the break of dawn. I drink all day, but I never throw up. What you do? I guess you better grow up. Learn how to take a funnel. Matter of fact, punk, put on a muzzle, cause you talk too much. You get punched out with just one touch. Yeah, cause I'm the man. I'm the man. Put me in a ring and I'll fight Tyson. Cause I just don't give a fuck. I'm just kidding, Mike Tyson. Don't look me up. Cause I don't want none. I'm just kidding around. I don't really like to fight. I just like to make the sounds. That's what it's gonna sound like if I fucking fight you, yeah. And you better not fucking, yeah. Peace out. I'm done rapping, yo. That's the end. Till next time. Tell your friends. Bust the lines, yo. Word to your mother.